Confident men don't rely on pickup lines. They don't need to. Why? Because they understand how to spark real connection without sounding rehearsed or desperate. In this video, you'll learn 5 powerful ways to start a conversation that actually works without trying too hard. Tired of overthinking what to say? Start practicing these 5 today. They'll change the way women respond to you. And if you're ready to become the kind of man women gravitate to, subscribe to Alpha Man Code. This is where it starts. 1. Make a simple, observational comment. Confident men start with what's real in the moment. Make simple, observational comments. It could be, "Looks like this place just got slammed. That's a cool bracelet. Is there a story behind it?" Why it works. It's natural, low pressure, and opens the door for response without pretending to be someone you're not. 2. Ask for a genuine opinion. Confidence isn't about pretending to know everything. It's about comfort in not knowing. Ask for a genuine opinion. Ask, "I'm deciding between these two. Which would you pick? Is this your go-to spot, or am I missing something better?" Why it works. It creates collaboration and makes her feel valuable, not cornered. 3. Playfully call out the moment. Use light humor or situational awareness. Playfully call out the moment. We both reached for the same bottle. Clearly, fate. This playlist is either genius or a crime. Why it works. Playful energy shows confidence. It's a vibe check, not a sales pitch. 4. Listen first, then join. Confident men don't interrupt, they observe and align. Listen first, then join. If she's talking about something nearby or with a friend, find a natural in, "Did I hear you mention Morocco? I was just there." Not trying to eavesdrop, but that sounds way more fun than my day. Why it works. You show social intelligence. You're not barging in, you're tuning in. 5. Start with presence, not words. Before you even say anything, your body language has already spoken. Start with presence, not words. Stand grounded, eye contact, small, relaxed smile. Why it works. Confidence isn't in the line, it's in how you carry yourself. Then whatever you say next, it lands better. Here's the real secret. Women don't remember clever lines. They remember how you made them feel. And when you show up grounded, present, and playful, that's what makes the difference. Remember these points when you approach any woman and start a conversation. 1. Comment on the moment. 2. Ask her opinion. 3. Playfully call it out. 4. Listen, then join. 5. Lead with energy, not words. Tired of overthinking what to say? Start practicing these 5 today. They'll change the way women respond to you. And if you're ready to become the kind of man women gravitate to, subscribe to Alpha Man Code. This is where it starts. Subscribe for more tools to master your masculine energy and attract women naturally. Please like, share, and comment. And remember to check out our other info-packed videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.